Hello guys, welcome to AR Tech 786 YouTube channel. So today I have brought a nice information regarding earning website. That's the real website Jocial.com. It's working since 2008 till now 2021. So how to activate your account, I will show the detail and I will provide the link under the video description. First of all, you need to create an account. I will provide the link, and after that you need to activate your account, and there is only two packages. I will show the packages here. You need to click active now after creating your account. Two packages are here. The first package is $240 and the second package is only $60, but this site is amazing and working and paying a lot. And after you get $1, you can withdraw $1 at the same time. The first package is 52 weeks annually, and the second package is 12 week quarterly. Now it's up to you that which package you want to buy, but it's working and have the withdrawal proof. So you need, if you love to earn from earning website, this is the really good website. It's authentic website because it's working since 2008 to 21. Still it's working. Now all information are here: dashboard, my account, campaign, all you can get it here, but you need to register first and activate your packages, and you can earn more and more. And thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you, and please do subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get latest update regarding any other information regarding earning and more tech information.